Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made a DIY wood toilet paper stand. Alright, so I had this 1x6 just laying around. It was an extra from the planter boxes I've made. Safety first, my friends. So I measured the sides and cut them with the miter saw. Make sure the ends are even. Make sure those are even. Here are the 4 pieces cut. Add the wood glue to all the ends. And then add the end pieces. I have no idea what this is called, but I use this to drill the holes for the rod of the toilet paper roll. Then I measured and marked where the middle was on each and drilled the hole. Once I drilled the holes and let the glue dry, put it upright, this is what it looks like this far. I had some aged wheat stain left over from one of my projects, so I went with this color. And this is what it looks like stained. DIY wood toilet paper stand.